Oh yeah, you already know what we're taking out today. Let's get it. We got lovely weather. I'm off. We got the KILLAKAM sticker on the ZL1. Let me know if you like that or not. I actually think it looks really clean. We got the red calipers, the red emblem there, the play button. Got the play button on the side, KILLAKAM. Then we got the big play button on the back. Excuse all the pollen. We're taking her to the mountain tomorrow. And I also got some little ones I'm going to put on the BMW as well. This is what we're taking out today. So please like, subscribe, help the algorithm so I don't have to rock these stickers all the time. I think they look kind of cool. But we're taking out the beast today. Oh my god, I love taking this thing out. This thing is an animal. Oh yeah. Let's back this girl out. Took her out yesterday and I had an SD card problem, so that happens sometimes. It is what it is. I'm putting the jacket on, don't worry. I just squid underneath the jacket. A quick trick, you got to take this thing to sport. You got to drop it down. Not that one. Not that one. There we go. That's the girl right there. I love this bike. We got to put the KILLAKAM stickers on it for sure. She is a beast. The full acro, the Brentoon. Sheesh. Sparky, how you doing this morning? Got the bugs everywhere. This thing don't even need to be clean to look clean. Oh, what is up YouTube? KILLAKAM. Back of the cell, the BMW S1000RR. Long time no see. Woo! I'm waking up the whole county this morning. I actually did that yesterday too. Outskirts of Columbia, South Carolina. I woke up everybody yesterday, but my SD card, I made a great video, man. SD card had some issues. That's life. Gotta roll with the punches. It should have the camera angle dialed in a little bit better. Those half shifts are still quicker than A600. Woo! This is the best way to start your morning. This thing feels like a video game. Oh my goodness. I forget how fast this thing is. I'll grow some hair on your chest. Oh my god. With the quick shifter and the power and all the modes on it, it feels like a video game. Anything you want this bike to do, it'll do it. It just depends on really what can you do and how crazy you want to go. And that's just probably like 30% throttle, 40% maybe. That's just insane. That ZL1 ain't got nothing on this, so whoever beats the ZL1, it's okay. I'll just hit that garage door opener and you see the red bike come out, you know you done messed up. You gotta really have something serious to compete with this. Bike world or not bike world. This thing has the wheelie mode where it will not let that front wheel even budge. But if you haven't been following up with the channel, I've been taking the ZL1 up to the mountains. I've been doing some point of view videos with that. I've been having a blast. I'm not stopping any motorcycle content on the channel, so if you thought that, throw that thought away. I'll be the last motovlogger standing. I don't care if I get 100 views, I will still be talking in my helmet at 80 years old on the Gunner and the BMW S1000. You gotta dodge all these potholes and these little crevices. That's the only bad thing about being where I'm located. These roads suck. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been taking the ZL1 to the mountains, and after going up there and being from Florida and seeing how high and how crazy those roads are, I definitely would have to take the Gunner before I take this up there to get more comfortable. Not only with the bike, but with those roads, man. When you're 5,000 feet up, any mistake could be your last one, and that's just the truth. This thing up there would be way too much power. This thing is made for the Autobahn. putting it on some windy roads 5,000 feet up. Man, you got to be careful on that throttle. That's why I'm going to take the gunner up there. The gunner up there would be a great video. I'm taking the ZL1 up there tomorrow, so that would be the next car video. We'll be in the mountains again. Got a nice group headed up there again. I just love going up there. Then after that, we're going to take the gunner up there, man, and that is going to be probably one of the best experiences besides taking this thing up there. I honestly think taking the gunner up there first would be the correct thing to do before I take this monster up there. And if you have any mountain tips, tricks, anything you want to comment down there, go ahead and do that. I respond and I read every comment, so I appreciate it. Oh my God. We got to do an exhaust video. The Acropovic versus the Corsa on the ZL1 versus the Stage 2 on the Victory Gunner. I honestly think the gunner's getting third, and that's crazy to me. This has to be the loudest vehicle. This thing by far. I feel bad for everybody sleeping in right now. Good Lord. I'm starting to make more friends up here at these car meets that have motorcycles. I met a dude with a Daytona that he says is down at the moment and that he wants to ride soon. So as soon as he gets his bike back up, I definitely want to ride with him, get a buddy out here. He actually lives probably about 5 minutes away from me, so that is awesome. That's what I've been waiting for. But yeah, like I said, motorcycle content's never going anywhere. I'm not just going to be an auto channel. I'm just really in love with that Camaro. I'm one of those people where you guys have probably noticed, as soon as I get a new vehicle, I head over heels with it. Exhaust, tune, anything. But as soon as I got to get married in September 13th, we got to get the wedding done. After the wedding's done, this channel is going to explode. I'm going to try to work on getting some sponsorships, making these videos a little bit nicer, maybe even getting an editor, because that is my least favorite part of everything about YouTube is editing. Who remembers the Vulcan days, man? Jelly Bean. We went from Jelly Bean, had the R6, we ripped on the gunner, we got the BMW. Videos every Wednesday at the moment. I'm really pushing to get at least 2 videos a week. That's my main goal. 1 car content, 1 bike content, and we switch from BMW, Gunner, Camaro. I feel like that would be awesome. Any suggestions on what order you'd like to see or what videos you'd like to see? You just let me know. Definitely going to take the Gunner to the mountain, taking the Camaro back up to the mountain. I'm going to take this up there, but I'm going to be very, very careful. But I will go up there, but I will be careful. That is just, once you're on top of the world up there, and I'm one of those guys where I could pack a lunch, put it in a backpack, and just sit up there at the mountaintop, eat a sandwich, stare at the bike, look at the view, not be on my phone. I could do that. So if you guys are one of those guys and you want to meet me up there, feel free. My Instagram, send me a message at KILLAKAM_R6, send it to me on Facebook. However you can come in contact with me, hit me up. Let's go ride, let's go drive, whatever you want to do. I'm always free. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, come hit me up. And I miss motovlogging. My coworker's been making fun of me, saying I never motovlog or my bikes won't start. But honestly, every time I'm off, this weather is terrible. And then as soon as the weather got nice, I got my dream car, and I wasn't even looking at the bikes. But this garage setup is dialed in for everything that I want. Honestly, I'm spoiled. I do not need any of this. I never thought that any of this would be possible, to be honest with you. That ZL1 is nasty. The S1000 is nasty. The Gunner is a gem, a dime. She's never going anywhere. She's already extinct. The ZL1's about to be extinct. I don't think the BMW S1000 should ever get extinct. But I do want to get the carbon winglets. Just does it so easily. I want to do a track day. That is definitely, I get a couple of you wanting to hit me up on the track. I just got to take off a weekend of work, and weekends where I make my money. But like I said, if you guys show the interest and you show the support, I'll go do it, man. I want to get out there. I'm itching. If I can make a weekend of it, or heck, even a weekend up in the mountains, turn the BMW S1000 into an adventure bike. Camps up there right next to the bike. That would be sick. Getting a little warmer. But look at this gear, man. Dyns Jeans, code KILLAKAM down below, save you some money. Go get you some nice riding jeans. I was explaining this bike at a car meet the other day, and you don't know how bougie I sounded. Heated grips, cruise control, wheelie control, traction control, different power modes. Look at this screen. Like what? A bike should not have this. All the carbon. I kind of went a little crazy with the carbon, huh? But this thing is sexy. And you know what's bad about that is I didn't even get all the carbon that I wanted. There's still plenty of pieces that whenever I make it big, this thing's gonna be carboned out. That's like everybody's dream. Y'all got any of that cheap carbon fiber for sale? I need gas money. Like, subscribe. I need gas money, okay? I'm gonna be dead honest. This thing sucks it down, the Gunner sucks it down, and the Z01 sucks it down. Like this video for gas money. Every like will help me get some more gas, okay? Your boy needs some gas money, I need some insurance money, so any love that you show on this video is much appreciated. I'm just gonna go cruise. I've talked to you guys enough. Motorcycle content's not going anywhere. Taking this thing to the mountain soon. Woo-wee! At KILLAKAM_R6 on Instagram, KILLAKAM on Facebook. Send me a message, let's link up. Y'all take it easy. KILLAKAM out.